In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a table view in Clickup. If you're familiar with spreadsheets, you'll feel right at home as Clickup's table view functions similarly by allowing for an organized display and effortless manipulation of your tasks and data. To start, you'll want to add a table view. Navigate to the desired space, folder, or list where you'd like to set up your table. Then, simply click the plus view button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the interface, and select Table from the options. This will create a new table view for you to work with. Next up is adding columns to your table. Look for the plus icon on the upper right side of the task table, or alternatively, you can select Show and choose Columns. Here, you have the flexibility to add existing fields from your library, or if you prefer, you can create new custom fields. This customization allows you to display specific data points that are crucial for your task management. Once you've added the columns, it's time to customize them. In Table View, you'll find yourself in a convenient spreadsheet mode by default, enabling direct editing of cell content just by clicking into them. If you ever need to toggle this feature off, you can do so in the Customize View settings. To speed up your data input, you can use the Drag to Fill function. Simply click and drag the lower right corner of a cell to copy its value to adjacent tasks in the same column. You also have the option to use standard keyboard shortcuts for copy and paste, CMD+C for Mac users, or Ctrl+C for PC users. Alternatively, a right-click will present options to copy with headers or group headers for more precision. Table View also offers some handy tools for calculating data within columns. You can perform calculations such as sum, average, and count, and these work seamlessly with various field types including numerical fields, dates, and even custom fields. To keep your tasks neat and accessible, you can organize and filter them efficiently. Group your tasks by attributes like status or assignee to gain a clear overview. You can also sort them based on criteria of your choice, whether within groups or across the entire table. Filtering features allow you to display only the tasks that meet certain predefined conditions, keeping your focus where it needs to be. When you need to take your data elsewhere, exporting it is a breeze. Export your table view as a CSV or Excel file. You can even include options like subtasks and time and status information for comprehensive reports. A couple of additional features worth mentioning are table cards on dashboards and the relational database capabilities. Displaying table view data on dashboards provides a quick and insightful overview of key metrics. Furthermore, by utilizing table view together with custom fields and linking features, you can create database-like structures within Clickup. This makes it possible to connect tasks, documents, and dependencies in a cohesive system. This concludes our guide on effectively creating and customizing a table view in Clickup. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering data organization and task management in your workspace. Thanks for watching and happy Clickupping!